Moving forward, I will be showing you how to create a post on your Facebook page. Right now you can see this new page I just created is totally empty. There's nothing here, not even a cover photo or a profile piece. So you can just add that for yourself. I just showed you how to. So I'm going to show you how to make a post. To do that, you'll be clicking on where you have post there, right? So I will tap on post. And just in case you don't have a picture you want to use, you can just snap one using camera. But I already have a picture or a video I want to post, so I'm just going to use this, right? I've just selected an image I want to use or an image I want to post. So here I'm just going to type my content or what I want to post, what I want to say about this image, right? So I'm just going to type happy new month to you from all of us at Real Projects, right? So let's say this is my content, and once I'm done typing, all I need to do is click on the share button. You can see it here. So I'm just going to type on share to create my post or to publish my post. So now Facebook will notify you if you want to add a button to your post, just in case you want to add a button, but I don't want to, so I'm just going to tap on not now. And then Facebook will ask you if you want to just create a post or you want to boost a post. Even though you want to boost a post, I advise you to first of all make the post before posting. So I'm not going to tap on boost post, I'm just going to leave it at news feed. Once you tap on share, just have it in mind that your post will be published to your page, right? So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds and refresh my page to show you my newly posted post, right? That sound indicates that my post has been published successfully. So I'm just going to scroll down to show you my post. So this is it. You can see the main difference between a Facebook account and a Facebook page is that in a Facebook account, which is this, you cannot really have a call to action button like you do on a Facebook page. And also with a Facebook account, you cannot run an advert. For you to be able to run a Facebook or Instagram advert, you need to have a Facebook page, right? So that's basically the main difference between a Facebook account and a Facebook page. Now, before you go ahead to boost your post, there are some important things I want you to consider, which are very, very necessary for you to get the best result for your advert, right? So for you to get the best result, the first thing you need to consider is your ad copy, right? Your ad copy is made up of your ad content, which is this, and also this. So for you to get the best results, or for you to get value for your money, you need to write a good content. If you don't know how to write a good copy for your ad, you can hire someone to do that for you, or you can take your time to write one for yourself. So the next thing you want to look at is the your ideal customer interest and demography. So for you to run an ad that is going to bring result, you need to know your ideal customer interest, what they are interested in, and also who they are, right? So you need to know all this, because with this you will be able to target the right person for your product, right? So the next thing you want to consider is the destination page. or your landing page. Before you run an advert, you need to have a place you want to nurture your prospects and also turn them to customers. So that place could be a landing page you've already designed, which is a mini website or a sales page, or it could be a WhatsApp, your WhatsApp inbox, or even your Facebook group, depending on what you want to use. So you need to get that ready before you talk about or think about running an advert. So yes, you can actually send people directly to your Facebook inbox or your Facebook Messenger, or you can send them also to your WhatsApp or whichever page you decide to send them to. But have it in mind that you must have a landing page, because without a landing page, then you should not be running an advert, because you need a place to nurture your customers or nurture your prospects and turn them into customers. So the next thing you want to consider before running your advert is your ad objective, which you are going to talk more on later. Okay, so before you run an advert, you need to know what you are running the advert for. You could actually run advert to get leads, to just get WhatsApp contact, people to chat you up and maybe ask them to save your number. You can run adverts for that, or you can run advert to get direct sales. You can run adverts for people to visit your blog or your website. So before you run an advert, or before you go ahead to run an advert, you need to know the particular objective you are running an ad for. And lastly is your placement. Facebook has different placement. Both Facebook and Instagram has different placement, like the Facebook feed, the Facebook story, the Facebook reel. So you decide where you want your ad to appear, or you can decide to show your ad on all these places if your customers visit such places. Because if you run your adverts on stories, if you choose stories as one of your placements, and people that you want to target are not visiting such places, you will end up wasting your money. So you know where to target your energy to. But what you need to do is understand the behavior of your ideal customer, and once you do that, you know places you can find them, right? So that is for all for things to consider before running your advert. Also, you need to know that before running your advert, you must have a budget in mind, right? Because Facebook sponsored advert is not free. For you to be able to run Facebook or Instagram adverts, you need to have a balance. You need to fund your ad account. Okay, now we are going to move forward to how to boost a post on Facebook or Facebook page, right? So down here under our post, you can see boost post. So to help us boost, we are going to tap on boost post here, right? Okay, once you tap on boost post, you're going to see something like this, right? So now back to our goal, which is our objective of running this particular ad. You have limited options here. I will tell you why later on, when I will be talking about how to get more results for your Facebook and Instagram ad. Also take note, for you to run your advert on both Facebook and Instagram at the same time, you must make sure your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook page. Okay, so once your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook page, like I said, go to settings and then Instagram, then follow the steps to connect your page. Once your Instagram page is connected to your Facebook page, you are sure of running your ad on both Facebook and Instagram. Going back to our goals, you can see the first goal here, which is automatic. Here you are letting Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings. Remember, when creating your advert, you already did some settings, and Facebook know what your page is all about and know what you might need. But then you might want to set it manually yourself. If you leave it at automatic, Facebook will select the relevant goals based on your settings. So now I don't want Facebook to choose for me because I know what I want. Now the next thing I want to do is go down to choose the goal that best suits what I want, right? So the next goal here is get more messages. So you can see Facebook already explained it to us what this particular goal means. So he said show your ad to people who are likely to send a message on Facebook or WhatsApp. And remember, whatsoever you choose is what Facebook will give to you, right? So the next one we have here is get more website purchase. But if you don't have a website or a landing page, you can use this one. If you want, just in case you want to send them to your WhatsApp, instead of using get more website purchase, just to use this one instead, right? So the next one we have is engagement, get more engagement. So this one, you don't really want sales, you just want people to engage with your post. You can select this particular goal. And the next one is get more calls. If you want people to call you, you can select that, right? So the next thing we have here is the button, which is the call to action. So you need a call to action to enable people chat you up. So here you're going to select a call to action, either book now. If you select book now, you can see the option for a URL. You need to add a URL. You can either put your WhatsApp link if you don't have a website, or you put impute any other link you are using. But my advice to you is that if you don't have a website, just go straight to where you have send WhatsApp messages. Or another option is send messages. Here you will be able to send them to your Facebook page messenger, right? So once you select that, you can click on save. Okay.